Okay, winter really is wrapping up, even though it doesn't feel like it this morning. Spring officially here, and it's a good time to get outdoors with your pets, but keep this in mind. Do not let them chase wildlife. We've got Faith Heaton-Jala here. She is the new PIO for the Utah Division of Wildlife Resources to talk about a really important topic that we might not necessarily think about. Our wildlife right now, it's the end of winter. They're not very well fed and they're kind of weak. So our dogs chasing after them, just bad news.
Yeah, so it just does a lot of harm because like you said, they are kind of starving by the end of winter. It's hard for them to find food. And so if your animals are chasing them, while you're out hiking, it uses up a lot of that energy that they just don't really have at that point. So it is just really harmful for them and it can be dangerous for your pets.
And even while they're hiking, it might not just be hiking. I mean, some of these animals are coming down closer to our homes because they are looking for food, trying to fuel up for the spring and summer.
Exactly, and there have been a lot of wildlife sightings, especially with cougars in the cities this winter. And so yeah, we just ask that you always keep your pets kind of away and not outside if possible, and yeah, just absolutely do not let them chase them.
And it's also for the dogs' protection, for our animals' protection as well, especially if we happen to see a moose or maybe a carcass that a cougar could have killed. You don't know what might be looming around at the time.
Exactly, yeah, and moose especially can be really aggressive if they feel threatened. And so we just, for the safety of everyone's pets, we're kind of just asking that you don't let your pets kind of come and chase some of the wildlife that they see.
And even if we don't see them, we should kind of try to make a presence of ourselves, be loud so we do not have a run and maybe avoid a problem before it actually happens.
Right, yeah, that is something that we recommend if you are hiking or if you're just going out in your yard. We really ask that, you kind of make noise, and that is one thing that can kind of prevent any negative conflicts, I guess, from happening.
And besides not being very nice, it's illegal. So if your animal is chasing wildlife, there could be legal ramifications as well.
It is. It actually is in Utah code that if somebody sees your pet chasing or harassing wildlife, they can legally shoot your animal. So we do ask, just for the safety of everyone involved, just
that would not
keep
be a
your
good
pets
situation.
on the leash.
Everyone just behave. We
Right.
also quickly, because we have you, we have a new Utah reptile, and this might kind of surprise some people. Could you tell us about this and our monster friend?
Yeah, so it's the Gila monster, which a lot of people don't even know they're in Utah, but they actually are native to some parts of southern Utah, Santa Clara area. And yeah, kind of an interesting, unique animal. It's one of 2 venomous reptiles in the North America.
Okay.
And anyway, kind of fun, they're kind of interesting.
Fantastic. Faith, thanks for joining us this morning.
Yeah.
A good reminder for everyone to think about, get outside with your animals, but make sure they stay with you and not attack that lovely wildlife. We appreciate it. More information from DWR can be found online at abc4.com/GMU.